Okay, guys, have you ever landed on a store and had no idea what actually makes that brand different from the 100 other ones out there? Yeah, that's a real problem for a lot of stores. Well, this section fixes exactly that. Today, we're adding this feature card section to your store, and honestly, it's such a clean way to highlight your brand's key selling points. Things like quality, values, or what makes you different, paired with a strong product image right beside it. It builds trust with new visitors in just a few seconds of scrolling. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Cards With. You'll only find one section with this exact name. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where all your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down here, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and just like that, the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once it's ready, click on Add Section, search for Cards With, and select that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. And this part is honestly so simple. First, let's check if this section actually looks like the demo section I showed you earlier. Let's add a product image here, whatever you want to showcase. Now let's scroll down and change the background color to white. That already looks so much better. You can even notice this subtle shadow underneath. It really adds a nice depth to the whole card. Now scroll down and honestly just explore this yourself because everything here is customizable, just like a template. Things like the icon color, the card background color, all of it. Now click on any card and all its details show up on the left side. The icon is actually in SVG code form here. Honestly, I feel like there should have been an easier way to replace that, but you can still change the heading and description. So let's go ahead and update this to subscribe. Go on, you do it too while you're following along. You can also change the heading, but I'll leave that as it is for now. Now let's change the background color of this button too, though this one doesn't quite match our theme, so let's switch it back to the original color. Now let's scroll down again and change the font style to something else. Let's go with Poppins. Honestly, one of my favorite fonts. Now let's move on to the call to action button. Here you can change its text, add a link to a product or an external page, and even update its text and background color. After making all these changes, let's hit save and let's check it out in view mode. And honestly, I won't say anything this time. I want you to tell me, how does this section look after adding it in under 3 minutes? Just drop your thoughts in the comments below. I genuinely love to hear what you think.